Battery data boot. The battery data has been changed using the battery programmer, but the data on the phone has not been updated after installing the phone. After using the battery programmer to change the battery data, do not load the phone first. You need to do the battery data boot first. If you do not operate the battery to guide this step, even if you install the phone, the data will not be updated. Method 1. We find a battery of the same model and install it into the mobile phone. After the mobile phone is turned on, we take out the battery. After installing the battery with modified data, the D. Method 2. We use a product called Battery Guide Test Cable. One end is connected to the mobile phone motherboard, the other end is connected to the battery, and then the function switches to the data. On the left is the test function, and on the right is the data boot function.